How to configure email notification for a specific email address. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you, so let's start. For that, you need to open up your phone setting, open up your main settings of a device. And then once you open up your settings, you may scroll down and look for the option called apps, which is under battery and device care. Look at that option called apps. And then once you open up apps, from apps you need to go ahead and locate up Gmail. If you can't find it, you may use the search bar at the top and type in Gmail in the search. And then open it up. Once you open it up Gmail, you will be finding these options on your screen. So from here, head over to the option called notifications at the very first tap on it. And then after tapping on it, we have different options available. Look for the option called notification categories, which is at the very last tap on it. And then after tapping on it, here it will show you notifications for all of the email that you have on your device. For example, I have about 4 to 5 email on my device right now. So you may just head over to one of the email that you want to configure. So we have this all notifications and under it mail option. So go ahead and tap on mail and you need to have this option turned on. After that, when you head over to the mail, you should be finding different options. You may look for the option called sound since we are trying to configure that. So go ahead and tap on it. And you may go ahead and select up a different notification sound for that particular email. So for example, I would like this one right here, which is called notch. So just go ahead and tap on it and it will be set it as a notification sound for your email from now onwards. If you are receiving any kind of email in that email address, you will be getting a notification sound, a different one. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to do that. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.